Welcome to Ditch Auto. My name's Jared, and today we're going to look at transferring images over Wi-Fi through your Canon 5D Mark IV to your iPhone. Now, this is a fairly simple process. It just requires a little bit of setup. So we're going to go ahead and power on our camera and go into our menu. Now, underneath your setup on the fourth page, you're going to see communication settings. Tap on communication settings and then choose built-in wireless settings. Now, you can customize the nickname of your camera if you would like to customize it, otherwise just leave it default. And then from Wi-Fi and NFC, choose Enable. Now, NFC connection is something that us iPhone users can't use, but Android users can. If you have an Android phone that has NFC built in, you'll simply be able to tap the phone to the side of your camera, and then the connection will create itself, and the phone will connect to the camera. The app on your phone will launch, and everything will just happen very quickly. But since we don't have NFC for anything other than Apple Pay on an iPhone, we just simply can't do that. So with that said, we're going to go ahead and enable it. If you want to turn off NFC connection, you can hit the info button to enable that or disable that. So now you need to go into Wi-Fi function, and you'll want to take a look at the settings here. So you can also connect remote control using EOS utility, connect to a printer, transfer images over FTP, or upload to a web service. But you'll want to select the camera option here, the camera phone option here, and then basically choose one of these configured sets here. So we'll just go ahead and do set 2 since my set 1 is already in use. And we'll choose easy connection and hit OK. Now what this is going to do is it's going to show you the SSID of your camera. That's the Wi-Fi username that you're going to connect to on your phone, and then the encryption key. So let's go into our phone and connect. We're going to go and choose our settings app and go into Wi-Fi and choose our EOS SSID, and then type in the password and hit join. And then that's going to join the Wi-Fi network. Now, prior to this, you will need to install the EOS utility application that's required. I'll show you what that app looks like right here. This is the camera connection application that's available in the App Store. I will put a link in the description below this video so that you can download it directly. Tap on the application, and it says the SSID is correct. Now it says new camera found. Select camera. We tap on that, and now you can see it says connect to this smartphone, iPhone. Tap OK, and it's going to go ahead and establish the connection. So once the connection is established, you could tap on images on camera, and we now see all of the images that are on the camera, and I can tap on those images and actually download those straight to my phone by tapping on this little download to phone icon. I can also favorite this image so that later on when I import the photos into Lightroom or something like that, I have a rating already on the image, or I could delete it if I don't like the image. Notice that it also gives me the EXIF data, basic EXIF data about this image as well, which is pretty cool to have all of that here. I could swipe through all of these images. I can also, from this screen, tap on the phone and then tap multiple images and hit save, and it will save multiple images to my phone. Why you would want to do this, you ask? Well, basically because we're able to edit photos on our smartphone these days using a variety of apps such as Lightroom Mobile, and there's just a bunch of great apps for editing photos. And now you can actually wirelessly transfer those from your 5D Mark IV to your phone and then upload those directly to your social media, Instagram, Facebook, whatnot, all while you're still out on the shoot, which is fantastic, being able to share stuff in near real time. That's the power of being able to use Wi-Fi and not NFC, but Wi-Fi of your Canon 5D Mark IV and your smartphone. So if you're an Android user, make sure to check out, we have an Android video as well using Wi-Fi and NFC. So if you're interested in seeing what that looks like, make sure to check out the card or click the link in the description below, and you can see what it looks like to use this exact setup, but on an Android device. So subscribe to our channel here on Ditch Auto. We do a lot of videos on how to use your cameras, how to become a better photographer, and most importantly, how to get out of auto mode. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time here on Ditch Auto. Thanks.